Welcome to the vocabulary course. Here you will hear the word in English and then in German. There will be a short pause for you to repeat it. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so you don't miss any more lessons. Good luck.
Laundry,
Wäscherei,
washing machine,
Waschmaschine,
dryer,
Trockner,
ironing station,
Bügelstation,
laundry service,
Wäscheservice,
shirt service,
Hemdenservice,
cleaning,
Reinigung,
stain removal,
Fleckenentfernung,
dry cleaning,
chemische Reinigung,
textile cleaning,
Textilreinigung,
special cleaning,
Spezialreinigung,
leather cleaning,
Lederreinigung,
down cleaning,
Daunenreinigung,
silk cleaning,
Seidenreinigung,
carpet cleaning,
Teppichreinigung,
curtain cleaning,
Vorhangreinigung,
bedding,
Bettwäsche,
pillows,
Kissen,
blankets,
Decken,
clothing,
Kleidung,
suit,
Anzug,
blouse,
Bluse,
shirt,
Hemd,
trousers/pants,
Hose,
skirt,
Rock,
dress,
Kleid,
jacket,
Jacke,
coat,
Mantel,
scarf,
Schal,
gloves,
Handschuhe,
cap,
Mütze,
laundry basket,
Wäschekorb,
laundry bag,
Wäschesack,
drying rack,
Wäscheständer,
detergent,
Waschmittel,
fabric softener,
Weichspüler,
stain remover salt,
Fleckensalz,
bleach,
Bleiche,
color refresher,
Farbauffrischer,
wool detergent,
Wollwaschmittel,
hypoallergenic detergent,
Allergikerwaschmittel,
delicate detergent,
Feinwaschmittel,
pickup receipt,
Abholschein,
cleaning costs,
Reinigungskosten,
pickup appointment,
Abholtermin,
express cleaning,
Expressreinigung,
delivery,
Lieferung,
ironing service,
Bügelservice,
self-service,
Selbstbedienung,
washing program.
Waschprogramm.
If you like this format, please support my work on Patreon. You'll find the link in the video description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like it, and if you like, let me know in the comments which words or topics you'd like to explore next. Until the next video. And remember, repetition is key.